Hi, and welcome to Tuesday Talks. This series offers relevant job search tips that are key in today's job market. I'm Leslie Stearns, Lead Talent Development Facilitator at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area. And today, I'm going to provide you with tools to assist you with your job search. Looking for work in itself is a job. And I have to say, it's been one of the hardest jobs I've ever had. So let's take a look at how to approach job searching. When faced with looking for a job, it's important to analyze your current situation. Have you ever just been laid off, or has it been a while since you've worked? Or is this your first time looking for a new job? This might be the perfect opportunity for you to reach that dream job you've always wanted. Think about all of the skills that you've acquired from school, previous jobs that you've held, military service, and even volunteering. Transferable skills can be a bridge to possible careers in any industry, and they are highly sought after by employers. Look through your work history and highlight skills like organizational skills, effective communication, time management, empathy, and active listening. Take note of these skills that you've learned through professional experiences and interpersonal encounters. These transferable skills can help you land a new job no matter how unmatched your skill set may appear to be. Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area has tools and staff to help assist you with skills and to match you to jobs based on your interest. One of these tools is My Next Move. My Next Move helps you to explore over 900 different occupations. You can search for careers by keywords and browse industries and utilize a great assessment tool to find a new career. The assessment is called ONET, Interest Profiler. You're able to customize your skill level, and the assessment will provide you with results with career opportunities. Your results are matched to a national database of occupations. It's called ONET. It has hundreds of job definitions to help job seekers to understand today's world of work in the United States. ONET provides you with national definitions of job duties and education and the skills needed to perform those occupations. The ONET Interest Profiler can also help you define what your interests are and how they relate to specific occupations, in turn helping you to understand what kind of occupations are suited to you. Another great tool for self-assessment is Tradeify. Tradeify is a scientifically backed visual personality assessment designed to be completed in under 2 minutes. Job seekers can also view career matches and do career exploration. The assessment starts off with looking at photographs of work activities, and you mark whether that's something you'd like to do or wouldn't like to do. When you've completed the photo series, you get a breakdown of your top 2 personality traits. You might be a mentor planner or an analyzer inventor. Your top 2 traits will yield a list of occupations for you to explore. It'll also give you a list of your personality traits with descriptions of those traits, which comes in really handy when showcasing yourself on a resume, cover letter, or in an interview. Best of all, the list of occupations are suited to you and will help you discover occupations suited to your personality. Reach out to our staff at Rural Capital Area and we can sign you up for Tradeify. When you have an idea of an occupation you want to pursue, take a look at Workforce Solutions' skill-based career progression lattices. This will help you understand that occupation. Career Progression Lattices is our interactive tool with over 380 occupations that identify local pathways for health, IT, trades, office, and transportation fields. A career lattice helps you visualize a path for an occupational mobility and focuses attention on personal development. Take a look at the occupations listed. When you click on a job title, you see 4 tiers of different jobs listed. These tiers are categorized by education level, high school education, associates, bachelor's, and even your master's degree. Lattices has great labor market information for you to see what education is needed for a particular occupation. And it gives you a description of those job tasks and daily activities associated with that job. When combined with guidance and support from our Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area Talent Development Team, Career Lattices can be utilized to lay out your career goals, identify action steps, as well as measure your progress and keep you headed in that right direction. Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area is here to help you with your career path. Take advantage and utilize the resources that Rural Capital Area has to offer. For more information on gaining confidence in your job search, you can also attend one of our free virtual workshops. Head on over to our events page on our website, workforcesolutionsrca.com. There's topics which include effective resumes, building your professional brand, how to rock your LinkedIn profile. You can also check out our office locations. No appointment is ever necessary. We have career counselors that can help you discover job searching tools, and we can provide you with resources for upskilling, training, readiness skills, and even job placement. Subscribe to the Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area YouTube channel and turn on that notification button. That's the way you can catch our next Tuesday Talk episodes, as well as learn more about our upcoming job fair events. So to recap, to be successful in your job search, utilize assessment tools that Rural Capital offers, such as O-Net Interest Profiler, Tradeify, and Career Progression Lattices. This will help you discover occupations suited to your abilities and your interest. I'd like to thank you for watching, and as always, I wish you the very best of luck in your job search.